What's up, everyone? Welcome to Campbell's Coins. It's a new month. It's a new unboxing video for you. As I mentioned previous months, I'm kind of like rolling every unboxing I'm doing into one video per month, so you don't have to see it every Monday. I just think it's better off that way for everyone. I've got a new package from a community member off of Instagram. For those who don't know, I buy some stuff off of Instagram. Actually, I buy most of my stuff off of Instagram. This one comes from Edgar Hoya. And you can kind of see he's kind of well known for that right there. That's, yeah, that little flasher stacker. So very well packaged. And Edgar is a huge seller in the community. He's got lots of great product for people. It's going to take me a second, so let's fast forward through all this. So forgive me for taking so long here. I'm just unwrapping everything because he wrapped these up very well, and I appreciate that, especially considering these come in holders, so they don't get scratched and torn up. Very thick styrofoam protecting it. Thank you, Edgar. I really do appreciate it. What did I get? One of my favorite coins to buy. 1912 $10 gold Indian, graded mint state 62 by PCGS. Really nice coin. And a second coin. Well, would you look at that? Another $10 gold Indian. This one's a 1913. Graded mint state 62. And believe it or not, I don't actually have these are my first two graded $10 gold Indians. I didn't have any before. I think I have a few raw ones, but I never had a graded version, so I'm happy to have those finally. And I'm going to be doing a video on all the major coins. I think I'm going to kick it off with either the Morgan or with the $10 Indian, and kind of go over my reasons for buying specific coins over others and why I'm doing that, especially numismatic valued coins, because, well, I just think they're undervalued. At least some of them are. So this is a 1912 and a 1913. So thanks so much for this, Edgar. You guys go check him out on Instagram, and that's AG Stacking. I'll put that up here in the video. All right, let's move on to the next one. I've got an unboxing here from an eBay purchase that I made just recently for some new Perth Mint releases. I found the price to be cheaper on eBay than buying from the Perth Mint, so I went with that. And some of you might know what this is. Others, you might not. But we're just going to dive into this. So this is actually a very cool case here. This is all magnetic with a plexiglass front that it looks dirty and dingy, but it's just a wrap that's going across it. Here we have like the little swan that's known for the Perth Mint, but it's a little, you can see it just tightens down like that. And then we have our certificate of authenticity here. And I'll come back to this. This is the Opal Series from the Perth Mint. Now, I did a video, I want to say about a year ago, when I saw their 2018 Opal German Shepherd, their dog series. And I just had to have that because of my dog, who is a German Shepherd. I just saw that they released this series about 2 weeks ago, not even that. And I had to have this one as well. I love these coins. So it's the center is made of opal, which is a very rare stone, but is found in a lot of places, but also mostly in Australia. And then on the perimeter of the coin, we can see all the different animals that reside in Australia, and these have also made it into some of their other coins. I don't think I've seen like the kangaroo or the emu, but you also have like the koala, lizard, snake. Forgive me for not knowing which ones are which. And then here is the obverse. I really wish that they would do away with the queen's face. I mean, we don't need to see this anymore on coins. They make such beautiful coins, and then you're just stuck with that other side. You're like, ugh. Anyway, I love these coins. I love the opal. I think it's very unique, and the Perth Mint, along with the string of Pacific Islands that they make coins for, do a phenomenal job in coming up with very unique designs, more unique than America does, that's for sure. But they just have some really cool designs and some really, really beautiful coins. Well, I really hope you all enjoy this video. Good luck finding some of these. A couple days after I bought it from my source on eBay, I think they're going for $130 after that, and the price was just astronomically high. So I'm glad I purchased some when I did. I completely forgot to add in the freaking COA. So why is this coin special? Well, because there is less than 5,000 of these minted, and I have 652 of those 5,000. But there are the numbers there. And you guys can pause this and read it. I didn't want to bother everyone by going over everything, but okay, so I just want to go over the rim of the coin depicts representations of iconic land animals, including a kangaroo, emu, koala, echidna, I don't know, wombat, and among others. Really, really beautiful coin. I hope you guys can pick one of these up. Guys, I've got something important to tell you. Someone popped my cherry. I mean, that happened a while ago, but no, someone got me something that I've never had. I've never owned this precious metal. So we're going to take a look at what that would be. Any guesses? Put them in the comments. I've actually been looking to get some of this year, and I finally have some thanks to a good friend on Instagram. Let's zoom in on this. What do we have here? Oh, 5 grams of platinum. This is in a Credit Suisse First Boston assay. This is still sealed. This is actually the assay that they used to produce from First Boston. First Boston was like a subsidiary of Credit Suisse, and it was supposed to be like the investment side, and they dissolved it and just morphed it back into Credit Suisse, I think back in 2006. So this is probably at least 14 years old. I don't know for sure, but this is my first amount of platinum, period. And I wanted to get it for a video that I'm doing. So this is 5 grams, and I wish I had my 5 grams of gold to show you, but the platinum is going to be smaller, and that's because it's more dense. Platinum is a very dense metal, just like gold, and it has some really unique properties that I'm going to be getting into a video very shortly with you. But I want to thank Sergio on Instagram for this. He's not a seller right now, but I reached out asking, hey, does anyone have one of these, looking to do a video, and he stepped up and helped me out. So I appreciate that so much. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, up next, I've got another Instagram purchase. I've got the seller's address on the other side, so I'm just being careful not to show it. He's selling some silver for a really good price, and I wanted to get in on his deal that he was having going on over the weekend. This is from Northwest Stacker. He told me that he forgot to include a sticker, which is totally fine. I don't have stickers myself, but it's always nice to get them so you can kind of like showcase the channel or the page to other people, so they have something to kind of like look for, because when you just throw out a name, it's not always recognizable, or it doesn't always click, especially when there's, I hate to say this, there's a lot of people out there with the word silver or coins or stacker in their name, and so sometimes it can get muddled. But let's see what we got here. Oh. Queen's ugly face, and then looks like we have a 2011 Kookaburra. This one's another queen face, and it is a 2019 Kookaburra. And then we have a Samoan coin. I've never seen this one before, and I thought it had such a really nice detail. So the border kind of has this stained glass look to it, like a fractal type look. You can kind of see like the light just will dance off each of those, and then in the middle is like, it's almost like a proof. It's not a proof, but it's a proof like. And we have a seahorse, and of course this comes from the island of Samoa. These are really nice coins. Definitely underrated. It's not like Canadian stuff. I know this is produced probably by the Perth Mint, but it's not like Canadian stuff where you're going to have milk spots and that sort of thing. It's really well done. And then lastly, this one looks like he kept the bag for it from bullion exchanges. This is another coin with the queen's face. Slightly older. This is the very first Kookaburra released. $19.90. This one has a little bit of toning around the outside of it. Looks pretty nice. And this is in a little tin holder. So it kind of gives you all the details of the coin on this side over here, and then on this side it's the obverse. Very interesting. I never got the concept for the little tin holders, especially when they do it for the American Silver Eagles, but it's not bad. And if you're buying these for people that don't know better, maybe it's a good way for new coin collectors or stackers out there to kind of just to know what they have. But yeah, very great Great looking bunch of coins. I want to thank my friend Northwest Stacker for selling these. And if you guys are on Instagram, go ahead and look him up. He has sales occasionally, and he had a great sale over the weekend. Oh, rounding out this video, I kind of messed up. So I thought I was recording, opened up the package, wasn't recording. That's always fun. Let's just go through what I found. So this is from Royal Coins Houston. They were selling some silver shot, and I thought, wow, this is really interesting. I haven't bought silver shot before, but I'm actually really liking it, besides being able to play with it. I was thinking about it from a, like a SHTF situation. If I had like 100 ounces in a bar, that would be kind of difficult to sell or trade. But silver shots, I can just pour out a little bit here, and that would be that. If I had to make something, I could easily make something with the shot. I wouldn't have to like melt a coin or something like that. So very interesting stuff. I might be picking up some more heavy duty ounces of this. Who knows? But I just really thought that silver shot was interesting, and I think I might be doing more. Anyways, going on to the last item out of that package, if my stupid camera would focus. Korean Tiger, 1/10 of an ounce. I really like the design. I'm not kidding you, I've been looking for this coin for quite a while. This is a 2018 Korean Tiger. Some anti-counterfeiting tech on the back here. Royal Coins had it, and I am not at all sad that I purchased this. I really like the design. I like that it's like a little, it's the size of a credit card. It does, it's not flush like a carat card is. Well, that's not working. If I do that, there we go. But it doesn't stick that much over. Not that I would put this in my wallet, but just wanted to kind of give you a reference. Anyways, really like it. Like the hologram tiger on the front and the back. And I just thought it was a really cool design. I have this in silver, and I'm like, what? You know what? I really like that in gold too. And I know, shockingly enough, I've seen this in a 1/2 ounce, but never for sale. And I don't think I would want a 1/2 ounce of it, just because certain designs I'm like, well, I'm fine with a 1/10 of an ounce. But this was pretty cool. So I got some silver shots, and I got some gold from Royal Coins Houston. I've given them shout outs to the nth degree. Highly recommend buying from them if you haven't. One of a few shops that I will buy from on a regular basis, let alone trust, right next to Avenue Coin. All right, that's gonna do it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Sorry I haven't been posting as much as I'd like, but such is life. I've just been very, very busy. All right, I will let you all go. Thank you all for watching. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.